Hey Spice World fans, enjoy less mess and more flavor with the simple one-pan garlic chicken and veggies meal. Let's go. Begin by seasoning 4 chicken breasts on both sides with chili powder, salt, and pepper. Next, over medium-high heat, drizzle olive oil in a large skillet and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in your seasoned chicken and cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Remove the chicken, melt 2 more tablespoons of butter, and add in our flavorful star, 2 tablespoons of Spice World ready-to-use minced garlic. Stir it together until the garlic is fragrant before adding in some Italian seasoning and crushed red pepper flakes. Now it's time for the veggies. Add in sliced onions, red bell peppers, and broccoli, along with some chicken stock and lemon juice. Cook down the vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes or until tender. Finally, add the cooked chicken back to the skillet, place some lemon slices to garnish, and voila! You're ready to dig into this one-pan garlic chicken and veggies made with the bold flavor of Spice World.